Fellow enthusiasts, welcome back to another mesmerizing episode of Satisfying Machines and Ingenious Devices. Get ready to embark on a journey through a mesmerizing world of innovation and craftsmanship that will leave you completely mesmerized. A huge magnet is being used to transport crushed metal objects to a barge. Humans will never be able to handle dough better than this fine-tuned conveyor belt. And check out this mechanism that can turn hot metal into a cable. A special thermoforming film is used to give travel luggage its color while also making it shock and scratch resistant. All it takes is a small knife mounted on a spool to cut miles of polypropylene cover. Is the most accurate product disorder ever. Multi-level milling is definitely its own separate art form. The continuous rotation of this mechanism helps to evenly distribute the diet for various flavors of toffee. And we now present to you the powerful machine that cooks your favorite noodles 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And here's how they make lenses for ski goggles. Just one touch of a hot metal rod, and the protective styrofoam box is ready. By filling the old pipe with an inliner, you can repair it without replacing it. This mechanism makes it so that you don't have to catch eggshells anymore. It also perfectly separates the yolks from the whites. Take a look at the carbon fiber weaving process for creating aircraft and spacecraft frames. This smart conveyor sorts fish by weight and quality. This machine makes it easy to thread 1/800 rods per hour. Immerse yourself in the fascinating process of Japanese chopsticks sharpening. Oh, removing old cable coatings is a breeze when you've got this tricky mechanism. And this is a conveyor system designed for the continuous production of aluminum caps. With the press of a button, this roll cutter can work wonders. True satisfaction is when a cutting device makes it possible to see the line between two sides of one piece. A tree baler is used to hold the branches for safe removal and transportation of trees. Ice cream production is a fully mechanized and streamlined process. Say goodbye to the hassle of slicing a pineapple with this amazing gadget. Lumberjacks can finally forget about back pain and calluses. A mallet turned out to be the almighty shredder's weakness, like kryptonite to Superman. Cars will never rust again after taking a dip in this pool. Watch how freshly cooked spaghetti is shaped by squeezing it through special faucets. And there you have it, another mind-blowing episode of Satisfying Machines and Ingenious Devices. I hope you enjoyed the incredible inventions and innovations we shared today. If you found this video as satisfying as we did, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow enthusiasts. Your support keeps our passion for discovery alive.